So this is all about the jacuzzi spot in the master bedroom. And the first thing you need to do is you need to read the jacuzzi instructions. You will find these instructions either on the mirror inset shelf above the jacuzzi or on one of the dressers here in the master bedroom. I will talk about the foam in a minute, but the first thing really that you're going to do is you're going to lay down your mat. And you're going to basically only use the entry area, which is on this side by the door, which is the entrance. And of course, you'll put it down much nicer than I did. The second thing that you need to realize about this is never turn on the jets first. And make sure that your handle is secure. And if your handle is not secure, you want to open these levers and basically pull it off. And then you're going to want to either clean this off and go ahead and pop it up again, push down, and you'll see these go down, and then lock it into place, because this is going to help you when you go to enter the tub this way. Okay, so once you've read all the instructions, you have your handle set, and you have your floor mat down, you're going to go ahead and reach down and turn the drain to the left so it drops down and closes. Never hang on these items. Okay, they are not used to pull you up. That's why you have the handle. Anyway, you're going to just go ahead and turn your cold and your hot. Cold is on the left. If you're facing the tub, you usually have it marked. Hot is on the right. And you're going to go ahead and fill the tub. And you're basically going to fill the tub to the bottom of the last jet, or the top jet, whatever you want to call it. And there will be a marker here. We are in the process of adding that. And never ever turn the jets on unless you're in the tub. The bottom of the top jet is really the amount of water you want to fill if you have two people. If you're not turning the jets on, you don't need to worry about it. What's going to happen if you don't fill it high enough, then the jets will just shoot out all into the room and it'll be a hot mess. So you're going to go ahead, climb into the tub once your water is at the right spot. If it's one person or two people, depends on how many you have going. Only two people really are for this tub. You're going to get in the tub and you're going to notice that if the water is not covering this jet and this jet, then you have to add a little more water. So just add a little more water. And then you're going to go ahead, when you have the right amount of water, do 2 pumps. You can always add more. Trust me on this. Only 2 pumps, and then you go ahead and turn the jets on and relax. And it takes a few minutes for the foams and the bubbles and everything to really kind of start rising. If for any reason the water starts getting crazy and the bubbles are crazy, just go ahead, turn the drain, open the drain, let a little bit of water out, and be very, very, very careful when you are entering and exiting the tub. Always use this handle to hold on to, and it is a little awkward. You're going to have to lift your leg over, get in there and get out, and you got to be a little bit limber and be very careful because the tub, it's a tub, it's slippery. And if you do use this tub, you know, this is going to just make your stay even better. So enjoy the jacuzzi spa. Thank you.